What's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine for clear skin. I get asked quite a lot, like, how do you get your skin so clear? How do you have like zero pimples? Which is not always true, but for the most part, I'm at a point where I'm very comfortable in my skin. I pretty much go out like this with a bare face. If I can, I'll use any excuse I can not to wear makeup because I'm really happy with the way that my skin is. I don't stress out the way that I used to about how my skin looks and about going out trying to cover it up. I have found a skin regimen that works for me, and I always love to share the products that I use with others. And I always end up telling the same things all the time to people that always ask me. So I figured, why not put a video together for you guys, for those who are interested and want to know. I will say that my skin hasn't always been this clear. I have definitely struggled with acne in my teenage years when I was in school. I tried just about everything I could to figure out what would work for me, and nothing really did. I spent tons of money on different products, really expensive products, tried natural capsules and just different things that I thought were gonna help me at one point in time, and that actually didn't. But now I'm happy to say that I'm finally at a place where I have products that have been working for me and I've been sticking with them, and they've pretty much done me good so far. So I'm happy to share them with you in hopes that it works for you in some kind of way. Now, I'm not saying that what works for me works for everybody, because everybody's skin is different. What works for some people obviously doesn't work for everybody. So this is just what works for me. I'm not saying that it's gonna help everyone, but hopefully it'll help a few. And also, I just want to say there are other remedies that can definitely help to contribute to clear skin besides just products for your face, such as limiting my dairy intake definitely helped a lot with clearing my skin. Also, drinking lots of water with lemon, and also don't talk to F-boys. You don't need that type of stress for your skin. I promise you, your skin will glow up so much when you don't talk to people that stress you out. It's an amazing thing, believe me, every time. I always joke with people, I always joke with my friends too. They're like, oh my gosh, how is your skin? Like, just so natural and like glowing and so clear. And I'm like, it's that all natural, I don't talk to F-boys glow, okay? I'm like joking, but I'm like not joking because it's true. But I'm just saying, it's the truth. And just remember, your internal and personal happiness definitely reflects on your body, and it will also show up on your skin. And I promise you, like, it made such a huge difference the day that I stopped worrying about my skin. I used to stress out about it so much that it caused me to have even more breakouts because I was stressing out so much about it. And the day that I finally just accepted it and was like, you know what, if this is my skin, this is my skin. I'm not gonna try and fight it anymore. I'm not gonna try and hide behind it. That's actually when my skin suddenly just like got clear. It's so weird to say that. I mean, over time, it definitely cleared up. But when I stopped caring about the way that I looked, when I stopped worrying about my appearance when it came to going out and having other people see me, that's ultimately how my skin just changed. Honestly, speaking from experience. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section below. And also, if you're using any of the products that I use as well, and if you're keeping up with my podcast, don't forget to let me know so I can give you a shout out at the beginning of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, thank you so much for your support with me and my channel as it has been growing. I am so thankful, and I can't appreciate you guys enough. I'll also make sure to link the products in the description below where you can find them and purchase them if you're interested. Starting off with the fresh face and no foundation, ready and willing for the taking. Just kidding, that was a Drake lyric. But we are going to start with tying our hair back to make sure we only get product on our face. The first product I'm using is this Clean and Clear Oil-Free Cleanser. First, I'm going to rinse my face before I start lathering in the cleanser on my skin. And I'm going to rinse my face again and use a towel and pat to dry. Next, this is my Holy Grail product, Witch Hazel, that has taken a lot of redness and inflammation out of my skin. You can use a cotton ball or pad to wipe across your face, however I like to use a spray bottle to make sure it covers every area of my skin. I don't moisturize a lot, but when I do, I use St. Ives Collagen and Elastin Moisturizer. I have pretty oily skin as is, so I recommend using this at night before bed. And don't forget, it is healthy for your skin to absorb and not be stripped of its natural oils. For the days when I wear makeup, I use Almay makeup removing wipes because I found they're the only brand that doesn't irritate my skin and cause breakouts when taking off makeup. And just for proof that I'm not faking it, here's my makeup. Although I didn't wear a full face of it, I still had some on my brows and lashes. So I use an exfoliating scrub only once a week for when I start seeing random pimples or when I feel like my skin needs a breather after wearing makeup for a lengthy time. Also, another great scrub I recommend is the apricot scrub from St. Ives too. So I'll go ahead and put a small amount on my fingertips like so and gently massage it in. Don't forget to rinse and, of course, pat to dry. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, my skincare regimen for clear skin. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check the description for the products mentioned in this video.